Please watch the video till the end. By watching this video, you will learn in detail about the YouTube algorithm and how to optimize YouTube SEO to grow your channel faster. What is YouTube SEO Optimization? YouTube SEO Optimization is a process that involves optimizing various elements of a video, such as title, tags, description, thumbnail, and other factors. Proper optimization helps your video rank better in YouTube search results and appear more frequently in recommendation feeds, reaching a larger audience. What happens when you optimize YouTube SEO? Your videos will rank higher in YouTube search and recommendation feeds. More viewers will watch your content, increasing views and watch time. The number of subscribers will grow, accelerating your channel's success. Engagement, likes, comments, shares on your videos will increase. Why is YouTube SEO optimization important? Millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube every day. If your videos are not properly optimized, they may struggle to reach the right audience. With proper SEO optimization, you can effectively reach your target audience and take your channel towards success. Benefits of YouTube SEO optimization: more views. Proper SEO can significantly increase your video's view count. Subscriber growth. If viewers like your content, they are more likely to subscribe. Brand value. A well-optimized channel gains credibility and popularity. Higher engagement. More likes, comments, and shares help boost your video's ranking in the YouTube algorithm. How can I help you? I am a YouTube SEO optimization expert and have helped many successful YouTubers grow their channels. Currently, I am working on SEO optimization for multiple channels, and I can do the same for you. If you need professional YouTube SEO optimization, I can help you get more views, increase subscribers, and grow your channel faster. If you are interested in my SEO services, feel free to contact me using the details below. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.